How to improve your credit score using Credit Karma Insights. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the Insights section. This area gives you personalized recommendations based on your credit report and financial behavior. Credit Karma Insights highlights key factors affecting your credit score like payment history, credit utilization, account age, and new credit inquiries. It will suggest specific actions to help improve your score. For example, if your credit utilization is high, it will advise paying down your credit card balances to under 30% of your credit limits. If there are any errors or outdated information on a report, the insights will guide you on how to dispute them to correct your report and boost your score. It may also recommend keeping older accounts open to improve your credit history length, which positively impacts your score. Now you know how to use Credit Karma Insights to improve your credit score. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.